Hello people, this is how to make Lego robots. And all these pieces. This one. These. It's going to turn out as a failure because it's a human with a mask. And all these. Okay. Let's get started on the first stone. Get this piece and get these two pieces, and then just put that on like that. Do the same as this one, and it'll look like this. Yeah. Okay, and then right here, since I ran out, I put these on for you to charge these one pieces, and put 3 of the 3 1x3 ones on there. You have your legs right there, thighs, whatever they're called. Put that on there. It's gonna look like this. And then you need these pieces, and just put that on there. That on. It's supposed to be like some. Yeah, put that on. Put that on there. Wait, I think I did a mistake or something like that. Oh wait. Put that like that. No, I think it's not like that. So I'm gonna put it like. Yeah, it's like this. Put that right there. Take the 2 of them. Wait, no. Just ignore that. And then do the same as the other. And it's going to look like this. And then we'll get this piece, get the body, put it right there. It's going to look like that. And then put the leg pieces right. Put of your 2x2 ones. 1, 2, 4x4. Just ignore that. And then get this. Put this right. Get another one and get this piece. Put that right there. And get the other one and get the other flat piece right. And put that right there. It's gonna look like that. And you're almost done with the body. And then you just need the head. And then you just need the chest. Okay, and then you have this piece. But like, oh wait, no, I messed up. I'm sorry, people. Oh man, I messed up. I'm sorry. So sorry. I'm so sorry. I did a huge mistake. So sorry. No. Just wait a second. It's not going to turn out good. I'm just trying to make it good, but I can't. But you can still put a human in there. Oh man, what's the last piece? Wait. Search for part 2.